We have just received massive news about the iPhone 17e, and honestly, this changes everything. Apple's brand new entry-level powerhouse is finally confirmed, and the details we've been waiting for are here. Today, we're breaking down 5 major leaks that prove the 17e could completely shake up the smartphone market. First up, the display. For years, budget iPhones had to settle for older LCD panels. Not anymore. The iPhone 17e will feature a full OLED display, delivering deep blacks and high contrast at an aggressive price. And here's the kicker. Apple is giving both the biggest share of production, while Samsung and LG handle the rest. This isn't just about screens. It's Apple diversifying its supply chain, lowering costs, and bringing flagship screen quality to a mid-range device. Next, the numbers. Apple plans to ship 8 million units in the first half of 2026 alone. That's massive for an entry-level model. This tells us Apple expects huge day one demand from users holding onto older iPhones or those looking for a powerful secondary device. They're not testing the waters, they're aiming for a market takeover. Now, Apple's secret weapon, component multiplexing. They're reusing proven parts from previous iPhones, like the chassis and camera sensors. This keeps production costs down while maintaining quality. Essentially, you get a phone that feels premium without the premium price. It's smart, efficient, and perfectly suited for budget-conscious buyers. Here's the real game changer. While the exterior uses older, tested parts, the inside of the 17e houses the latest processor, the same chip powering the flagship iPhone 17 series. That means flagship-level speed and performance at a mid-range price. Apps will run smoothly, and software updates could last 5 to 7 years. For a budget phone, this is practically unheard of. Finally, Apple's market strategy. By combining a cheaper OLED panel with a top-tier processor, the 17e directly targets the mid-range Android market. It's full Apple experience, full speed, full ecosystem, without a $1,000 price tag. For students, parents, or anyone wanting a reliable, high-performance iPhone on a budget, this is the phone to get. So, are you excited for the iPhone 17e? Does this combination of OLED screen and flagship processor make it a must-buy? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell to stay updated on all the latest Apple news.